Have a good one. Thanks for stopping by. Hey, yo. Is it on autopilot? Is it following me by itself? Yeah. That's cool. Start the bike, it has to be like this. Raw's in gear. Pussy, you didn't even tell us. Man said he had it in gear 1. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Fucking, yo. Oh, go on. Man, don't think they can ride it.
We're looking like 107.
Remember we could have started, bro. We wasn't doing it for time, bro. We all got back to the end so late.
Do it. As soon as you move, it just.
And we didn't even know that, like, because I didn't know what to do in it. Oh my days. You look happy still.
I'm fine.
Yeah, see? Go on, take time for this squidly. What happened to you? No, you're good. Do you want it on the far side? No. I can't believe. Round 2.
That's what the back you right.
He would have grabbed you right here, mate. There, you would have been there. What you doing, mate? It's not working, mate. What's going on?
See, that fasting is peak.
How is it?
That fasting is peak.
Like what? What's your XB? You sound traumatized.
The gear thing is mad extra, bro. Like that's
Like it just lifts up. It's like you're ready for the bottle.
I literally jump on the bike, opens up, bro.
That opens up more fuel in it to the bike.
Yeah, it's put bare more fuel. Spark plug's fresh, bro. It's fresh.
Opens up more fuel to the bike once you put that gear. That's why you have to be ready for it to change.
To be ready.
Yeah, because
You're right, though. You hurt yourself
already throttling while you're thinking, innit? So once you change that gear, you're already allowing petrol to flow through.
Are you alright though? Did you hurt yourself?
that one's calm.
You sure?
And then like a
Are you sure?
No, literally. It was about to slide off, so man just caught myself in it, and then it just turned off.
It's just the turnings. If you put it into gear 1 though, it's calm. The sound is what scares you. It's a bit more.
It's not even that. I'm not even scared of it.
It's the power.
It's the kick, yeah, like, it's not even calm, like.
Kick.
You just gotta firm the kick.
Yeah, no, I'm not
Yeah,
lying.
like-
It's the kick, yeah, and the fact that you don't want to break man's bike. But that's it.
Yeah,
you don't want
that's
to break.
it.
You don't want to break a man's bike. Yeah, that's what it is.
I get that, but like, just ride it.
Down, kids will start riding. They tell you this is what kids used to start
Say,
riding.
Ichi, man buckle in the back. Still, man buckle. Don't kick it from there, you know.
Yeah, from down here, no?
No, man, that's too high.
Too high.
Yeah, just wait, pull it all the way back up. Yeah, and then lift up a little bit. Yeah, and then kick from there. That's how you do it. Pop. Wait till it's down. Wait, go on. Yeah, I'm out and try to ride it in half. You wanna see me patting it?
Yeah, honestly.
Alright, one of you guys got to do the fucking thing then. Alright, JB, you take my stuff now, I'll video you.
Alright, man. Go for a little try on the setting. Let's see if you write us off.
As one Ghana, next one bar.
Ah, bro, that kickback's dangerous, bro. Once you change the gear, bro, the fuel's already going through it, man, and you're changing gear, allowing it to have more power. I need to see what that one's saying. You know, man can't be on the fast lane if man ain't trying the fast thing, and that just don't make sense. It just don't make sense.
See, every time you bang a gear, it just feel like, just feel the gear. Like,
Yeah, you feel it take off a bit, like you feel it.
I should expect it, innit? Like.
See him there. Try for wheelie, try for wheelie. Madman, kind of wheelie uphill. Oh my days. Hey, the grass is wet here, you know.
That was fun. Try out the grass.
No, I don't want to ride off and mess up my clothes.
Go slow. Oh yeah. I like it.
I'm in white.
I don't know, but it's not so good.
Look how you mess up the blood clot tire them. You see you? So you dusted them up now.
I see going this here. Good. So the man them afraid of the dirt, so them come for Enduro. We can't go to Dubai if you do this in the sun, so we do it this way. If you go to Dubai, we are sun in your eye, that's all. Just sun in your eye. Just buy 2 glasses of shade for your eye. One time. So them come for Enduro. We can't go to Dubai if you do this in the sun, so we do it this way. If you go to Dubai, we are sun in your eye, that's all. Just sun in your eye. Just buy 2 glasses of shade for your eye. One time.
Now let me try that fast speed, man. Let me try that fast speed.
Try it. Yeah, go on, bro.
Yeah, go on.
I want you to actually try it. Can you see though, yeah?
Yeah, I should be, yeah.
Ready? Ready, Squiddly? Why the fuck did you?
That went up quick.
Put it in gear, take both off the floor.
No, I was just about to put my foot down and it went up quick. That went up too quick.
Bro, I'm
Nah,
the
nah.
only one that can pan it and I'm the lightest one.
Nah, get that. It's minor.
Bro, I'm the only one that can pan it and I'm the lightest one. Do you want to try again?
That's why I was holding it, bro. That's why I was like, no, I need to get the front wheel down so I can slam that brake. I was like, I need to get that front wheel down ASAP. Yeah, it's a bit little loose.
That is.
Flick it up.
That's normal.
Oh, okay.
Easy peasy. 1, 2, blood clot 3. I am at the skinny beat or not? Bro, look at the mud print that he did in the bag. The man them are injured. Wait, what did he hurt?
No, I hurt my hand from the brake.
Look at him limping like John Wayne. What did you do?
Nah, no, just my hand from the brake.
I knew you fucked up the brake because the brake don't feel the same. You fucked up the brake, innit?
No, but I had fucking scraped it, man. Ripped off on my skin. It's automatic before, yeah. I never felt the kick off like that. Kick off was normal.
That's what I'm saying. This engine bad, bro. Yeah, you see on the pit bike.
Flies up like that.
You see on the pit bike. So for a kid, this is for like 8-year-old, you know.
I know, that's what kids do.
Bro.
Kids should start riding. They tell you this is what kids used to start riding.
Say, man buckle at the back. So man buckle. But you know you can make these big, you know. You can put a big wheel conversion. All you gotta do is change the suspension and the wheels, you know. Let me know in the description if I should get the man them to ride up on this bike or that. Defo can do it. Let me know in it. That is a good challenge. Let me know. You got the trees and you got the fence right there. Great challenge for mad people like me, innit? I like we should do that though, YouTube. Let me know, innit?
said it's on normal. Oh, fuck. The stall.